In bachelor's in life sciences, what we study is we study botany, zoology and chemistry. Okay, so it's an umbrella course. We cover a lot of things in this, not just one thing, but a diverse study we do in this. Okay, so in the first semester what I studied is biodiversity of microbes, algae, fungi and archegoniates, then animal diversity, atomic structure, bonding and general organic chemistry. Okay, and we had one AECC subject, that is English also, that we used to study. Even though we did not have much interest in that, but it's वो हमारी मजबूरी थी. Okay, उसको पढ़ना. देन सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में आते हैं तो हमने पढ़ा उसमें प्लांट इकोलॉजी एंड टेक्सोनॉमी, केमिकल एनर्जेटिक्स and functional group organic chemistry, then environmental science, comparative anatomy and developmental biology of vertebrates. So this is about the second semester. So we are done with the first year. Okay, then if we come to the third semester, what we used to study is we used to study plant anatomy and embryology, then solutions phase equilibria, conductance, electrochemistry, medical diagnostics and physiology and biochemistry. Okay, this is about the third semester. Then about the fourth semester we studied plant physiology and metabolism, chemistry of S and P block elements, public health and hygiene, genetics and evolutionary biology. Okay, so personally I really liked evolutionary biology. It is really interesting. Okay, this studying about the Charles Darwin and his discovery of the many things that he did. Okay, yes. So if we talk about the fifth semester, we studied apiculture, bioinformatics, chemistry of D block elements, quantum chemistry and spectroscopy, and then we studied animal biotechnology. And as you know, right now I'm doing masters in biotechnology, so you can guess which subject I liked the most, and that is biotechnology. Okay, so yes, we studied that. Then let's come to the last semester. Okay, last semester then we studied analytical methods in chemistry, sericulture, then economic botany and biotechnology and immunology. Okay, so this is what we did. Now this video may seem boring because I am talking about the syllabus part mostly, but it's not just that. It's not just studies in Delhi University. It's not just studies. What you do is in between all these studies we did have those educational visits. Okay, we had those educational visits. So I would like to tell you, we went to basically we went to, first of all, in the first semester when we were studying in vitro fertilization, to see that and to learn from doctors itself. So we went to Sir Gangaram Hospital and we studied in vitro fertilization. Okay, then we studied artificial breeding of cows, automatic and semi-automatic milking of buffaloes, and we went to National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal, Haryana. Okay, so it was a really fun day. We went to NDRI and it was a one-day trip, and it was so interesting because for the first time we went on a trip, even if it was one day, but we were so happy. Okay, so we went to NDRI. Okay, then if we talk about another thing, we went to geology department, that is the part of Delhi University only, and we studied paleontology, geological time scale, mass extinction and types of rocks and mineralization. Okay, so this was also very nice, and we developed some interest in geology also. Okay, then once we went to Shri Ram Institute of Industrial Research, where we studies drugs and pharmaceuticals, HPLC, GCMS and LCMS. Okay, so for people interested in pharmaceuticals, there is an institute, Shri Ram Institute for Industrial Research. They can search for that. Okay, then we went to Division of Entomology, IARI, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, and we learned artificial beekeeping. Okay, and lastly it was a fun trip to Uttarakhand, and we went to Regional Sericultural Research Institute, Bhimtal. Okay, so this was the best like in the third year of our college, we went to Bhimtal, Nainital, Jim Corbett, and you know, it was kind of an educational trip, but we made it fun. We made it so fun, and basically in that we learned silk production, the process of silk production. So what I'm trying to convey here is that Delhi University is not just about studies. Delhi University is a full package, okay? Study is also fun, also society is also. So it's all fun and games until you enter Delhi University, okay? So yes, this was all about this video, and if you want to learn more about my societies and what I used to do in my society, then we'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much.